Think we fixed the guys. Finally. What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we need to turn this music down before we get copyright. You guys saw, I think, the little beginning credit or the beginning scene was turning on the RV at the gas station after we had driven about 10-15 minutes. Before, usually it wouldn't start. This time it started perfectly fine, and we're doing our little shakedown local right by our house, just so we know what's going on with it. There's a little moth up there and it's bugging me. Anyways, just so we know how it's performing and we know what to fix for next weekend. We are going to Dumont for Halloween, so far so good. We are about to start indulging in some meals right now. I'll go ahead and show you guys. We're gonna eat, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys the setup, because as you guys know, we've been having problems with our generator, but we have lights in here and microwave, everything's working. So we found a little alternative. I'll go ahead and show you guys right now in the little camp setup outside. Be right back. All right, so here's the razor, guys. You guys already know we did do the Lucky Whips fangs. We do have rock lights that we have to install before Halloween. We'll get started on those during the week. It's gonna be some rock lights, and then I got some dome lights, which I'll probably put one on each side, but that's a whole different video. Or maybe I'll do one on the front and one on the back. That way we have lights, the dome lights with the rock lights. I got a six rock lights. But anyways, here's our little camp for the night. We actually picked that up, that little light up there. We picked it up off of Amazon a while back. It was maybe like 50 or 60 bucks, I think. I'm not sure. You're supposed to put a flag up there, but I forgot my flags. So we have that up there right now. We should turn off that light so it doesn't die. But that's where we're at right now. We just, like we said, we just came out here to do a little shakedown. We're gonna go drive around right now, test out the razor for a little bit. We already brought it, so might as well take it out for a spin, and we'll be right back. I believe this is a power tower or electrical tower, something like that. There's a few of them out here. It is a little windy, so I'm gonna talk a little loud, but that's the 15 freeway. We're camped somewhere down here. You got the outlets right over here. So just so you guys know where we're at, I have no idea what that is. Probably a warehouse, probably a little town, I'm not sure. But we're up here, made it. We're just gonna do this little quick run. We're gonna make it back to camp and probably make a fire, call it a night. Maybe take a little ride in the morning to sunrise. But yeah, showing you guys how the current state of the Razor is. We do have our little pods for chase lights, our whips, our custom flags, you guys already know. We do have mirror lights. We have a big old light bar. We do have some bumper pods. And then the fangs, those are Lucky Whips fangs. We do have a discount code for them now. It is all caps ShreqBoi 10. So ShreqBoi 10 for all your Lucky Whips purchases. Anything on the website, you get 10% on all of your purchase. It's through luckywhips.com. I will put it on the screen, put it on the comments. You guys already know the deal. Yeah, just trying to help you guys out. We will be getting some whips. Like I said, we do have the rock lights. Those will be coming just because they'll look a lot better. And who knows? Well, I do know. Maybe once, or not maybe. What am I saying? When you have the rock lights and sometimes you blow a belt in the middle of the night, it's perfect to be able to see them. Speaking about belts, did I bring my spare? Oh yeah, it's over there. But yeah, like I said, we'll be doing the rock lights, we'll do the dome lights. As the current state right now, we do have our spare tire. I will leave the link down below for that spare tire mount. And we do have our RPM exhaust. We have the valve open right now. RPM, charge tubes, blow valve, everything. It's amazing. We have our budget system, the gnome speakers with our custom sub mount. Yeah, it looks like we got it where we want it for now. We'll go ahead and clean her up a little bit when we get back tomorrow. Have her ready for next weekend. Hit the dunes and see how all that is. So right now we'll probably throw some more clips going back to camp, and then we'll probably close it out at camp or see what we show you guys. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are back, day 2. Well, kind of day 1 because we got here like at 7 p.m. last night, but we are awake and well. Sun is coming out, sunrise. It's kind of lonely now. A lot of people left last night. There's a whole camp right here last night and they took off actually. So I got that camp over there. There's a few more trailers over there. There's trailers over there, trailers over there. Yeah, there's people everywhere. Not everywhere, but it's already starting to look like season. They had fireworks going on last night. It was great. It was a great start to our 2025-2026 season. I'm gonna go ahead and fly the drone right now, show you guys a couple takes, see who else is out here. Last night we did go all the way up to that way up there. Went all the way up there in the Razor last night. Oh, there's the camp way over there too, I believe. We've gone up there before with the guys. I just never really remembered how, but it was all muscle memory actually last night. And we got up there. We were able to see the freeway. We were able to see the outlets, everything. I think I did show it to you guys. That's the little generator I was telling you guys about. I believe it's a Pulsar 4000 or GD 400 BN inverter generator. 4,000 peak watts on fuel, 3,200 peak watts on propane. It is a dual fuel, or actually on gas it's 4,000 peak, 3,200 rated watt. On propane it's 3,700 peak, 3,000 rated watts, and it does power our RV. I did test it out yesterday before we came. We did just get a little adapter. I believe they come with them, but I found this one on Marketplace for $380, and it didn't have the little adapters, the little yellow one. And then we do have a surge protector on it, just because we don't want to fry our RV. Anyways, that little generator inverter ran me $380 on Marketplace. Great deal. And yesterday before we came out, I did test it at home, and I was able to run the AC. I was also able to run the microwave, so that's gonna be perfect. Hopefully it lasts us all season and it'll be perfect. We'll probably upgrade to like a 4500 watt one later, but that's perfect for us right now, so long that it keeps working. But yeah, we're just enjoying our coffee right now, morning coffee. I don't think we're gonna go for another ride. If we do, I'll show you guys, but I don't think so. We're actually gonna take off early. We have things to do at home. It is the Sunday before we go out riding, or before we go out to Dumont, so we need to get a few things ready. Oh, last night it was a little funky sleeping. Felt like I was tilted with my legs up. I can see why now. The whole RV is crooked, really crooked. I did not level it. We just parked and that was it. And Dumont, we will have to level it. Yeah, look, see, it's all crooked, all chueco. Yup. So Dumont, we will have to level it out, just because it's a lot more pleasant to stay in when they're leveled out. Yeah, right now we're actually gonna finish our coffee, pack it up, and roll out the Razor. It's not that dirty. It's pretty clean. Just gonna rinse it off at home, take it out like that. We're not gonna detail it or anything. It doesn't need to. That's our little shakedown on the RV in our backyard out here in Barstow, the outlet. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Without further ado, if I don't close it out after this, I'll close it out now, guys. Like always, if you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.